All right. Next up, y'all, we got
another one
requested by the homie Jen the Gym. I know how I feel about my boy Joyner Lucas. That man is a storyteller. And he can flow. Got go any independent. We got my first time listen, first time reaction to Joyner Lucas. Think about Gears of War. To Joyner Lucas, White Noise from the upcoming ADHD 2 album. Let's dive in, y'all. Don't forget, I invite you guys to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. Let's dive into this. Oh shit! Oh wait, this shit actually sounds peaceful. Peaceful starting off like meditation. But knowing Joyner, something is hiding beneath this. Knowing him.
I've been breaking the night, can't sleep, rain tapping all on my windows, but them sounds make peace. Why do I love this white noise from my fucking AC? It'll distract me from the void and these things I can't see. Love, brain going on overdrive, and I might be going nuts. They don't understand my mind, but I don't think no one does. Feeling like my ankles tight.
But they don't understand my mind, but I don't think no one does. See, this opens with like airy samples, soft percussion right there. It's setting a mood that's calm but loaded. It feels like it's controlled silence. But with the white noise, the name hints there's something more. That name, it hints there's something more, like a tension under stillness. That's kind of like what white noise reminds me of. A tension under stillness.
Going nuts, but in these things, why do I love this white noise from my fucking AC? It'll distract me from the void and these things I can't see. Brain going on overdrive, and I might be going nuts. They don't understand my mind, but I don't think no one does. Feeling like my ankles tight, my legs is going numb. I've been down a million times, but I won't be slowing up. And now I'm diving rid of it deep, and what am I thinking? What is the reason? Laying in bed, I'm closing my eyes, I'm staying awake and stare at the ceiling. Scroll on my phone and look at TV and keeping myself from falling asleep. It's way too quiet, put in the fan and give me some noise to quiet the demons.
Give me some noise to quiet the demons. Kind of like when there's some people who can't go to sleep without some type of noise in the background. You know, like, some white noise, TV. For instance, like my daughter, ever since she honestly has been out of the womb or sleeping by herself, brown noise helps her. So every night, Alexa, play brown noise. And she goes to sleep to, shh, but she loves that sound. And we found out accidentally by it playing one time, and it knocked her out cold. Now she sleeps with only that sound. I'm pretty sure the older she gets, she'll break out of it. But like she has to have that brown noise in the background to fall asleep. When she sleeps, she don't need it, but then she's very easily like susceptible to hearing a lot of things outside, outside her door. And if I'm still live and working and stuff, that noise go off, she's gonna hear me getting hype and all that. So yeah, I understand. You need that noise to block out. But then for Joyner, it's like he's doing this like conversational flow. It's almost like rap therapy. It's calm, it's reflective, but it's deceptively simple. You listen.
But I won't be slowing up. And now I'm diving rid of it deep. And what am I thinking? What is the reason? Laying in bed, I'm closing my eyes, I'm staying awake and stare at the ceiling. Scroll on my phone and look at TV and keeping myself from falling asleep. It's way too quiet, put in the fan and give me some noise to quiet the demons. My ADHD popping out. If I crank the system up, I hope the beat get louder now. My thoughts too loud, hope the speakers drown it out. Brain going 1,000 miles a minute, I ain't stopping now. Way too late and I can't think straight.
I ain't gonna lie, he almost had me thinking he was about to hit an epic drop and start like rock and rolling this shit. It's almost like some pop, some trap rock, a little bit. Like I'm in my head, going down in the shit. He got something going on. I'm just saying. Excuse me. He has that gentle urgency. His delivery feels like an invitation to listen deeper.
Demons, my ADHD popping out. If I crank the system up, I hope the beat get louder now. My thoughts too loud, hope the speakers drown it out. Brain going 1,000 miles a minute, I ain't stopping now. It's way too late and I can't think straight. It ain't my choice. Voices in my head, but it's my voice. Gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah. Said it's way too late to hallucinate. It ain't my choice. Try to block it out, but it's my voice. I gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah. I've been breaking it.
It's our boy, babe. Me and my wife, we love Joyner.
Gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah. I've been breaking the night, can't sleep, rain tapping all on my windows, but them.
I relate because I have ADHD. So it's just like, I'm enjoying their emotional transparency and sincerity because it's hitting harder because he barely raises his voice. It's really like he's talking to you. Like he's letting you know what goes on inside the mind of Joyner. But Joyner Lucas, and also being a celebrity, so to speak.
But it's my voice. I gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah.
Because the white noise is it's like a mental health thing. The white noise is helping black out that those demons you're fighting. But he's also struggling to find that calm. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what I think.
I gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah. I've been breaking it.
Ooh, I like that. Pick the world up and drop it on your fucking head, Lil Wayne rock era. Yeah, that's the sound it has. I'ma pick the world up and I'ma drop it on your fucking head. Me, that's an underrated song. That's an underrated song too. A lot of people was hating on Wayne's rock era.
Gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah. I've been breaking the night, can't sleep, rain tapping all on my windows, but them sounds make peace. Why do I love this white noise?
Up all the window, but them sounds make peace. Those sounds, I can get in tune with those sounds to run away. To not even run away, to drown out.
Can't sleep, rain tapping all on my windows, but them sounds make peace. Why do I love this white noise from my fucking AC? It'll distract me from the void and these things I can't see. Yeah, some nights when I'm by myself, I start to daydream. Trying to think of something else, hoping that could save me. Wanna get some therapy, maybe that'll change me. If you ever felt like me, maybe I ain't crazy. And I wanna drive it up off this clip when I just get so distracted. Can't get in my vibe on a night like this, I just don't know what's happening. Wanna take some mess, but I know that shit, but I have my soul adapted. I get in my head and see some shit you probably won't imagine.
Ooh. See, what I like about this track though, it's the minimalist beat. Got soft plucks, pinto pads, now light percussion that gives away that emotion that he's also trying to give. The track kind of lives in the white space, like ambient, that's like begging to be truly heard. He has layers to this shit. And this is definitely classic Joyner. That introspective rap with emotional polish. If you know what you know. That's all I can say.
Shit, but I have my soul adapted. I get in my head and see some shit you probably won't imagine. My ADHD popping out. If I crank the system up, I hope the beat get louder now. My thoughts too loud, hope the speakers drown it out. Brain going 1,000 miles a minute, I ain't stopping now.
Oh, I swell up with the drum. Oh my God.
Now, if I crank the system up, I hope the beat get louder now. My thoughts too loud, hope the speakers drown it out. Brain going 1,000 miles a minute, I ain't stopping now. Way too late and I can't think straight. It ain't my choice. Voices in my head, but it's my voice. Gotta drown it out with some white noise.
Yeah. Okay. Gonna lie, I don't think I was ready for rock rap Joyner. Rap. But I like it, and I know that when the wife hears it, she gonna like it. I might have her hear white noise tonight. Cause white noise hits like a whisper. that you feel more than you hear. It's about existing with all those thoughts and maybe loving someone else despite the static, the white noise in your head. This is Joyner leveling up emotionally again, pretty much. He's leveling up emotionally again. He went from going ham with the rapping. Now it's turned to soul therapy. Top tier. I cannot wait for this album.
So white noise, yeah. Said it's way too late to hallucinate. It ain't my choice. Try to block it out, but it's my voice. I gotta drown it out with some white noise. Said it's way too late and I can't think straight.
I gotta add this to the playlist. This is definitely one of the ones right there. Like, this is definitely one of them ones. I definitely need this. Add it.
It ain't my choice. Voices in my head, but it's my voice. I gotta drown it out with some white noise. Yeah.
Hey, he did that. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't know how I was gonna react to hearing that beat come on. Y'all saw at the beginning, I was like, I had the rock and stank face because I was like intrigued, but like, huh? But nah, he pulled that off. He pulled that off. Did this song help you slow down? Or did it stir up your own static in your head? I think for me, it did both. It did both. Or BOFFUM. It did both of them. BOFFUMEM. Both of them. Yeah. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Again, thank you guys for watching. I remind you guys to please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified, because Joyner Lucas is about to come out swinging hard with ADHD 2. Motherfuckers better be ready, because if they sleeping, they better wake up. Wake up!